Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Mason Sauce. Today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly Mode Combo. So the Mavic Air 2 was released on April 27th of 2020. Yeah, I know, you guys are probably confused that I'm not at my house. Yeah, right now I'm in Dallas, Texas on a vacation, and I stopped by my uncle's house. I noticed that he bought this, so I was like, why not unbox it? With the starting price of $7.99, you'll get the drone, battery, and of course the controller. But if you pay extra, you'll get the Fly More combo for $9.88. Let's get right to unboxing. So what do we got over here? We got a USB-C. We got some filters. Right here is the RC cable, so if you have any phone that's not Apple, you need to use this. Right here we got 2 controller sticks. Let's see if there's anything in here. Propellers right here. We got an instruction manual. Right here are extra propellers for propeller B. And then right here we got propeller A. That's it. Now let's see where the drone is. Ooh. Right here is the DJI Mavic Air 2. And what's really cool about the Fly Mode combo is you get an extra battery. You don't get 1 extra battery, you get 2 extra batteries. Right here is a charging adapter for the 3 batteries. And this is the other part of the charging adapter. We're not done yet. Right here is a charging hub. What you can do with the charging hub is charge all 3 batteries at the same time. Alright, so now there's like a zip on the top. Let's see what's here. Alright, now we got a power bank adapter. Right here it says do not eat. We're gonna eat it. We don't need this either. I really like the design of this. It's really easy to unfold. And yeah, how do you unfold it? It looks really easy, but it might be kind of tricky for some people. What you wanna do, the top, just bring it forward. The bottom, until like bring it towards the bottom, and then it comes up. Then you're good to go. And then right here are the propeller guards, so you just wanna take those off. So this drone weighs about 560 grams. Alright, now the scale's gone. This drone shoots up to 4K 60 frames per second video and up to 1080 240 frames per second on slow-mo. This drone features OcuSync 2.0, which will allow you to fly the drone up to 10 kilometers, which is over 6 miles. The category of this drone is consumer. This consumer drone has 34-minute flight time, and if you didn't know, that's the best record out of all the DJI Mavic consumer drones. This is DJI's first consumer drone that includes AirSense technology. AirSense technology provides safety warnings to drone pilots that there's another aircraft nearby. With APAS 3.0 optical avoidance, this will allow your drone to detect upcoming obstacles by flying over or around them. Man, everything needs some sauce, so it's time to sauce it up. Let's go, woo! and I'll see you next time. Peace.